Like this, look. You can go like that. Here. Here. Your turn. You like mayonnaise? You want to put the cheese? You can go like that. Here. Your turn. You put the cheese. Right there. Are you going to eat it? So today I decided we're gonna do a little bit of arts and crafts with the baby, and I seen like a little hand wreath, and yeah, so I wanted to do that with him today. So I'm gonna take out some of these pages. And I'm thinking I'm gonna mix the two greens so it has like a little bit of a dimension. Come here, baby. Okay. I forgot to add a clip-in of the tree, so here it is.
It's an intro. What can I say?
So it comes with this Grinch salt. It's supposed to be like dill pickles. And you're supposed to shake it in that bag. And then here's the socks. This is so cute. The kids meal. Super, super cute. And then it comes with, you know, the regular meal. And it comes with a Disney anniversary little figurine. And then I think it's supposed to be 70 different characters you can collect. So let's see which one is in the box. What is this? I have no idea who this character is. Wait, okay, so is the turtle like Crash? I don't know who the girl is though. Okay. I just feel like baby. It's all foggy looking. That's beautiful. Out in the mailbox.